Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to be looking at this. This is the GGMM ES5. It's a battery base for an Echo Show 5. So let's get it out the box and let's have a look. Right, so getting it out the box, we get setup guide and the battery base itself. Nothing else left in the box. We'll take this out the protective wrapper, and there is the base, and it comes with a pack of silica gel to keep it dry in the box. So looking around the base, you can see here we've got 4 lights for charging indicators. Then there's the on off button. Then turning it around, there's a USB pass through, so you can charge other USB devices with it at 5 volts 2.1 amps. The DC in is 12 volts at 1.25 amps, and that takes in the Echo Show 5 power supply. And then it will pass through to this cable, which is then plugged straight into the back of the Echo Show 5. Just quickly on the bottom, you've got usual product information and some rubber feet. So let's put that down and I will put my Show 5 into place. Now on the bottom of the Echo Show 5 is this little recess, and that sits on this here. Now that is magnetic, so when you put it into place it does actually pull it down. It's quite a strong magnet actually, which is really good to see. So turning it around, you can see we've got the back of the Echo Show 5 and we've got the power there. And if I just plug that into there, like so, turn it around. Wonder if it's got any power in it at all to begin with. But the Echo Show is starting up, so it does come with a decent amount of power already in there, and you can see you've got a fully mobile Echo Show 5. So now you can take that around. As long as you've got an internet connection into the Echo Show, then it's going to be absolutely fine. Okay, so if I turn it back round, you can see here, just plug it in like so. Okay, so looking at the front with it charging up, you can see here we've got the battery indicator, and that is flashing up on the 4th one, which shows that it's nearly fully charged. It flashes on each one as it's charging. So each one is a quarter of the battery, so 25%, 50%, 75% and 100%. The battery included is a 10,000 milliamp hour battery, which is a decent size for what it is. And I'll go away and test how long it's going to charge for and how long it's actually going to last once it's fully charged. Okay, looking in the manual at the product specification, and it has been a few days since I set that up in the main part of the video, but I just wanted to go through the battery spec and how long it's actually lasting for me. So the battery capacity is 10,000 milliamps. It's a lithium ion battery. It does say there to make sure you use the original Echo Show 5 adapter with it, and I'm doing that, so that's not a problem for me. Now it says charging time about 6 hours. Now I found it's actually been a little bit quicker than that. It was about 5.5 hours from completely flat to charge it up 100%. Now playtime, it's saying here about 8 hours under 100% volume and about 9.5 hours under 50% volume. Now I had it at about 30% volume and it did last getting on 9.5 hours, somewhere around there, of constant playing. And I've got to say, I've had no problems at all using it while it's been charging, and I've also been able to unplug it and plug it back in without it, turning off or rebooting or having any problems at all, which is fantastic. Also, this isn't just a battery backup, of course. This is also a movable stand, so you've got a good range of movement there. That's how far you can get it back, and pretty much straight up going forwards, and then but you can't turn it left or right, so it's only got up and down movement on it, like so. Now the power button, while it is still plugged in, will turn it off completely, which is a bit of an addition really, because the Echo Show 5 hasn't got the ability to turn it on and off via a button. All you've got is unplugging it and plugging it back in, so that actually adds functionality into it. So what do I think? Well, it's a decent weight. It's yet to be seen how well it lasts. Obviously, I'll have already told you in the video, so hopefully it lasts a decent amount of time. But it does look and feel like a quality product. So, if you are interested in checking these out for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description below. And I'll also leave links to my Patreon account where you can pop along and join these lovely people in supporting the channel. Speaking of supporting the channel, why not get one of our fabulous t-shirts or a mug or anything else really from our Teespring store. Details in the description too. So give this video a like if you liked it. Got loads more videos coming very soon. Best way not to miss any of those is to subscribe below. It doesn't cost a thing, and if you click the bell notification icon, you'll be told every time I upload a new video. Speaking of new videos, why not watch one of our other videos on the left hand side of the screen right now. So, thanks for watching.
Hey, stop it. It's my turn. I've always wanted to say this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you later.